This is Oxbow, Maine, population 50. Hi, I'm Phil McPhail with United Country Lifestyle Properties in Maine. Come along with me today. We're going to take a drive into Oxbow and check out 1063 Oxbow Road. This property sits on one of the most unique locations you're going to find anywhere in the state of Maine. We're just minutes from the Oxbow gate of the North Maine Woods and right on the edge of 3.5 million acres of wilderness. What we're going to see today is a beautiful 20.5 acres of land with a 1,340 square foot ICF built home. Stick around, you're going to want to check this out with me today. Welcome to 1063 Oxbow Road here in the town of Oxbow, and what a beautiful setting we've got here. We're kind of snugged in here amongst all these mature spruce trees, and with the exception of a few that are fallen over, it looks like a park in here. Not a lot of undergrowth, very mature canopy. This home was built in 1997 using insulated concrete form construction, or better known as ICF, which is especially valuable in a climate like northern Maine. ICF homes are known for their durability, energy efficiency, their quiet interior living space, which is quite amazing, and the quality of construction that should last for generations. For those of you that don't know what ICF is, if you've never seen it before, this insulated concrete form, you have basically Lego blocks, styrofoam blocks, foam blocks. I think they're open cell foam, and they stack them up, reinforced with rebar on the interior, and then once they're up, they pour the concrete, and when you're done, you have a concrete wall all the way around. All four walls of this home are solid concrete with a 3-inch foam on each side, inside and out. And I think the R rating is roughly around R50 for this home. And then you have more your traditional roof structure, but the four walls all solid concrete. This property is serviced by a private well and septic. There's no town water or sewer in the town of Oxbow. The well you probably saw right off the left side of the driveway as we were coming in when we first got here. The septic system is behind the house over here behind the deck. Your LP gas storage tank is out here for the heating and inside, and the gas cook stove. Over here we've got I think this is a 10 by 30 storage shed. I'm not going to open it up. We got some snow against the door, but this is the backyard, all forest. We've got deer tracks literally right here. We saw 3 deer just before we pulled in the driveway. You can see where they walk around. Oxbow is loaded with white-tailed deer. I think a lot of the residents feed them here in the wintertime, so when you're driving in to see this property, you better be going slow on the Oxbow Road or you're liable to run over a deer on the way in. So we're going to take a walk on the land before we go inside the house, show you a little bit of the 20.5 acres that this home sets on and the privacy that you have because of it. So let's go take a little hike out here. One thing I've noticed is in other areas I've been, the snow depth is much higher, and this big tree canopy kind of helps keep the snow, very manageable. That's why white-tailed deer like this kind of forest in the wintertime, because it allows them a little easier living without wading snow to their bellies. And as you can see, we've got a little bit of a creek down here. We've got deer trails everywhere. As you can see, there's just deer going everywhere. But take a look at this. If you sweep this view right here, all spruce, all very little undergrowth. It's just very park-like. Imagine sitting up on that deck and having a barbecue here in the summer with some friends. Just a really beautiful spot. We're going to continue walking on the land here, following this deer trail. The elevations on this site are in the nice high level spot up here by the road, 630 feet to about 670 feet above sea level. The land is very gently sloping, especially once you get back here. It's almost flat ground. This is going to be more of your boreal forest here with spruce and fir and some white cedar. And like I said, it's amazing how many deer are in this town. And if you're a deer hunter, you'll love this property. If you don't like the outdoors, this is no place for you. There's no reason to live in Oxbow, Maine and not leave your house that I can think of. But if you can imagine walking through here during deer season, maybe setting up a little blind or two out here on this 20 acres. I think you got a really good shot at finding a big one, and from the looks of some of the trophies my clients got inside, he has over the years. We're back here now, probably 400 or 500 feet from the house in the center of the lot, and what you're seeing here are mature spruce fir. There's a little bit of white birch in places in here. We got some nice cedars as well, but this is a piece of land that has probably never been timber harvested. I'm guessing it may have been a little farm here at one time. This ground is pretty flat and level. The deer sure do like it. My goodness, look at the size of that deer track. Just open forest floor. I don't get to show you this very often, folks, so you're going to love this. What a place to sit back here and watch birds, watch the deer coming by. Beautiful. I don't know how much more of this I can show you, because it all kind of looks similar with the softwood growth in here with a few scattered hardwoods, but beautiful property, folks. You got to come up here and check it out. All right, we're going to head back towards the home now and take a look on the inside. And while we do, let's walk, and I'll tell you a little bit about why you'd want to live in this area. As we mentioned earlier, the 3.5 million acres of the North Maine Woods is literally 5.5 miles to the gate at the Oxbow Gate. So what is that? That's a working forest owned by multiple owners that have it for timber management, but it's open to the public. They do have a gated system there so that you check in, check out, but they got campsites in there, boat landings. There's thousands of lakes and ponds within the North Maine Woods, thousands of miles of rivers and streams, probably hundreds of thousands of miles actually. Some of the most wilderness area you're going to find in the eastern United States, so that's pretty amazing. This area is a hunting and fishing culture. There's a couple different lodges located here in Oxbow for people that want to recreate in the North Maine Woods. Just down the road here, a few miles, is the Aroostook River, and this is kind of the wilderness area of the Aroostook. That flows out of northern Penobscot County, flowing north on its way to the St. John River, the other side of Caribou, Maine. This section of the river is known for pretty good trout and salmon fishing, and it comes out of the headwaters of, I think it's Musungan Lake and Millinocket Lake over in northern Penobscot County. The other thing we have here that you won't find everywhere is you can actually ride your snowmobiles down the edge of the road here legally in Oxbow, as long as you keep to the edge of the road. There are groom trails that come right through this town, so if you like to ride groom trails or off-trail riding, both of those are options here from this location in Oxbow. Who's this property for, folks? Well, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, absolutely you're a buyer for this property. If you're a remote worker that can work from anywhere and you want some real privacy and be in nature and still be able to do your work, we do have a paved road, maintained year-round. Starlink works wonderful up here. I use it in my own cabin, and it's high-speed internet, as you're probably aware. Well, in case you're not, I'll point that out to you. If you're a guide and you want to run a business out of the North Maine Woods for guiding people for hunting, fishing, Allagash Waterway is 60 miles away roughly from this location, so sounds like a long ways. It's almost all dirt road to get there, but if you want to go to the Allagash, you already probably know it's a pretty remote area. This is some of the last civilization you're going to see before you get to that region. So where are we here in the town of Oxbow? Oxbow being that gateway town into the 3.5 million acres of the North Maine Woods. We're 22 miles from the nearest grocery store in the town of Ashland. And if you don't want to be remote, this is probably not the right place for you. But if you're looking to get away from crowds of people, this is awesome. The city of Presque Isle is about 40 minutes. It's less than an hour's ride to the city of Presque Isle. They have a commercial airport there, a large hospital, healthcare clinics, and malls and restaurants and hardware, everything you could want. I mean, there's a fair amount of stuff in the town of Ashland. Where we are in the big picture, folks, we're roughly almost equal distance between Quebec City, Drive time about 5 hours, just over. In the city of Boston, Massachusetts, which is about a 5.5 hour ride. I think it's 365 miles roughly to the south. So pretty remote region, but accessible year-round and not that far from conveniences. And don't forget, folks, if you're new to the channel, like, share, and hit that subscription button. Hit that bell, put on all notifications. You won't miss the next video that we put out. Welcome to the inside of 1063 Oxbow Road here in Oxbow. As we come in, we'll go down and check out the lower level, the ground level that comes from the garage area. We come into the living space up this way, and the first thing you notice when you walk into this room is this beautiful hardwood floor. We've got a nice gas fireplace over here on the side, a gas stove with a fireplace front, ceiling fans, nice tall ceilings here so you don't feel cramped. It's 1,377 square feet of living space. This area right here is 15 by 24, which includes the hardwood flooring of the dining area and the living space. The kitchen itself is about 15 by 15, and it features some nice oak cabinetry. We've got Corian counters and a center island here. All the appliances, as a matter of fact, all the furniture will stay with this home, so you'll be able to buy a home that's turnkey with nice furniture ready to go. We got a gas stove, dishwasher, microwave, fridge, all matching. This is a really nice pantry closet. You want to check that out. Plenty of room for canned goods and some supplies. As we come out through this way, we are looking into the rear entry of the home. This is the backyard. This goes out onto the steps and the deck that are on the back we showed you earlier. Coat closet here. Nice little area for a sitting bench. And then behind you, we have a half bath. Leaving this entryway and half bath area, we come over here, and this is one of 2 bedrooms in the home on this level. This room is 10 by 16. Does have a nice big closet over here and full carpeting on the floor. Nice big windows looking south out towards Oxbow Road. My clients are putting together a puzzle here. What a great place to do that. It's beautiful, well-lit room even without the lights on. Coming back out into the living space, we're going to go down here and let's take a look at the master suite. This bedroom is 13 by 14, plenty of room for a queen or even a king-size bed. Double closets over here, and then also a great window looking out to the front yard. And over here, we've got the master bath. And this is a really nice room, plenty of storage, a nice solid surface sink, step-in shower here. Well, it's tub and shower combo. Well, that finishes the tour here of the living area on the second level of the home. Let's go downstairs and check out the lower level. Okay, coming down here on the lower level of the home, and the first thing you notice when you walk in down here is the ICF panels on the interior that we talked about outside. This level has not been completely finished. It could be, or you can leave it as is. This is a nice big space. We obviously have the mechanicals here. This is a thermal-pride gas forced hot air heating system. It's tied into the same ductwork as a central air conditioning unit that's outside the home. So got very efficient LP gas and air conditioning. We also have an LP gas water heater here, and then the pressure tank coming in from the well that's out front. That's all right here on this end of the home, which you could close this off if you wanted to finish this space into maybe a great room or a large living room or maybe a home theater. Be a perfect spot for a large TV over there. We do have a laundry area right here. Got a stand-up freezer, washer, dryer. Pretty much everything you see here, folks, is going to stay except for their personal effects. This room right here was going to be a 3/4 bath. It's plumbed in here for a shower. There's already a toilet in here, and there's plumbing for a sink. So if you needed a third bathroom area that, right now it's kind of a half bath or bath, third bath, whatever you want to call it, with just a flush in there. As we come through here, we're going to move out and check out the garage. All right, coming into the garage, this is attached, obviously, to the house. We've got 2-car garage, 2 overhead doors, both got auto door openers. We got a great workbench over here for doing little arts, crafts, mechanical work, whatever you need to have done. There is a no vent gas heater on that wall. He doesn't really use it, but if you were working out here and you want a little extra warmth, we do have heat coming in from the other heating system. And again, this is all insulated all the way around on the ICFs. Down here on the other side of this car, we have the electrical entrance panel. And this is very well done. We got a 200 amp main electric panel, got some extra slots if you need to add on to it. And it also has a generator connection. Should you lose power and you want to hook up the generator, you can haul that outside and start that up. And that kind of rounds out the downstairs. Let's see. We're going to go outside and wrap this up for you. Thank you guys for coming along on this tour with me of 1063 Oxbow Road here in the town of Oxbow. And again, what we have is we have this 1,340 ICF home, 1,340 square feet. Asking price on this property is $299,900, 20.5 acres of land. Taxes are over here. We've got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 to 1 and 2 half baths, plus a 2-car garage, and all this mature timber in the heart of some of the most incredible forest land in the Northeast. So, but yeah, it's accessible. We're only 40 miles from a nearest city and an airport. Give me a call at 800-286-6164. Let's schedule a time for you to come up and look at this property with me today.